god. Oh, I'm not ready. Before we start the video, I want to give a shout out to my subscriber of the day who would be linked right here. Thank you so much for your continued support, and I appreciate you. I love you. You the best. You the baddest. You amazing. And let's get into the video. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Nella, for those of you who don't know, and today we're on another road trip. I'm here today with the wonderful, the Olivia.
Hello.
And we're just here at Waterfalls, and we're gonna go, waterfall and relax in the hot summer sun. It's been a ride, it's been a drive, so let's go. Put on my mask. Alright guys, so we are walking to the entrance. Like, I didn't expect so many people to be here today, but apparently everybody had the same vibe or the same idea as me to come and go to Waterfalls. So there are like a good amount of cars here. Anyways, let's go, let's walk. Smelling some good jerk chicken right about now. Well, it smells good, hopefully it tastes good too. So we're on the tractor. The place is hot. How hot are you? Very hot. I'm dying. I'm sweating so badly. Oh God. Alright guys, so we're here. There is one of the pools and the changing room, and then straight ahead to the waterfalls. Olivia is going to go change. So I'm waiting on Olivia to go change, but I had to find the shade because my at like 10 past side. I'm so hot. The place is just terrible. But yeah, this is the first time in a long time, guys. This is a little bit traumatizing for me. Well, not traumatizing, but anxiety inducing for me, because it's the first time in a long time that I've gone to a place that has so much people. Like, I usually try to avoid places with lots of people. As you guys notice, I travel, but I tend to travel to destinations where essentially it's me alone or me and a few people, especially in these, Rona times. So this is a bit anxiety inducing to see so many people in one place, even though there's a lot of space and you can go a lot of places without interacting with a lot of people. But for me, anyways, I'm waiting on Olivia to change, and then we'll head up to the falls to try and cool off. But for me, yeah, anxiety inducing. Yes sir. Alright, so we're approaching the falls, and now there's ziplining over the falls. There's a zip line. So our first stop is the lower waterfall. Go Ollie, it's your birthday. Go Ollie. So now we're gonna head up a little further to the upper part of the falls. So we went in there, had a little dip. Like it's so beautiful, like Waterfalls is so pretty, but it has gotten so commercialized, yo. Like so similar to like Waterfall, which is one of these things I haven't been in years. But you know, we'll see. Look at this. It's so pretty, so majestic, but like so commercialized, I swear. Look at all we crossed to get here. So here we are at the high swing. Oh Jesus. What could have caused this though?
So alright, 1, 2.
No, I'm not ready.
Alright. See where you get it grip tightly, alright? Make a little squat on the rope. When I count to 3, you're just gonna lift the legs and the rope gonna right. The rope gonna take you out. When I hear it go, you just let go. Or you wanna just jump in?
None of the above. I want to do none of the above.
Alright, alright, no problem.
I don't think I'll go up.
Alright, push forward, just push forward. 3, 2, 1, go. Push forward.
I don't think it's going. I don't think I'm going.
3, 2, 1, legs up.
Go, Olivia.
Come on. 3, 2, 1, legs up.
Come, Ollie, just do it. I did it once, so you can just.
You did it. That's
Come on, Ollie.
I want you to do it. 3, 2, 1, legs up.
Lift up your legs.
Lift them up, yes, lift them up. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Woo!
Wow, your leg got too quick, but that.
Guys, can you believe after all of that, they did not catch my jump? Like, they did not catch me jump. But I have the bruises on my leg. Look at this. To prove, on my body, to prove that I did this jump. It's a bit TMI, so I'll just show you my leg. Did not take my jump. I can't believe it. It's the second pool. They have 3 pools. And the capacity is 40 people. Right, this pool capacity 10 persons, and then over there 50. See the one over there that says 50 capacity is 50 persons. So they have different pools and their different capacities. Now we'll end the day at the pool just to wash off before we go. Until next time, peace.